Welcome back to XCAR, where we dissect the metal, the design, and the very soul of automotive excellence. Today, we're not just looking at a new Land Rover, we're witnessing a paradigm shift, a bold statement in the luxury SUV landscape. We're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 model, leaving no panel, no curve, no detail unexplored. Let's start with the face, the commanding presence that announces its arrival, the iconic Land Rover grille, reimagined for the future. It's not just a grille, it's a statement of intent, a blend of heritage and cutting-edge design. Notice the intricate detailing, the subtle three-dimensional effect, the way it plays with light and shadow. It's a masterclass in modern automotive sculpture. Flanking that grille are the new, razor-sharp LED headlights. These aren't just for illumination, they're a visual signature, a defining element of the 2025's identity. The intricate light patterns, the dynamic turn signals, the seamless integration into the front fascia, it's a testament to Land Rover's commitment to pushing the boundaries of lighting technology. Moving down, the front bumper, sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency and visual aggression, the lower air intakes, precisely positioned to channel airflow for cooling and performance, the subtle lip spoiler, hinting at the vehicle's dynamic capabilities. Every line, every curve, every surface is meticulously crafted, serving both form and function. Now, let's take a step back and appreciate the overall silhouette, the commanding proportions that define a Land Rover, the long wheelbase, the short overhangs, the high ride height. It's a design language that speaks of capability, of adventure, of conquering any terrain. The 2025 maintains that iconic profile, but with a refined elegance, a modern sophistication. Notice the flush door handles, a subtle yet significant detail. They contribute to the vehicle's sleek profile, reducing drag and enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency. It's a testament to Land Rover's attention to detail, their relentless pursuit of perfection. The side mirrors, not just for visibility, but integrated with advanced technology, they house the blind spot monitoring system, the turn signals, and the 360-degree camera, seamlessly blending functionality with design. They contribute to the vehicle's clean, uncluttered aesthetic. The wheel arches, pronounced and muscular, housing the massive alloy wheels. These aren't just wheels, they're a statement, a reflection of the vehicle's robust character. The intricate spoke design, the high gloss finish, the sheer size, they command attention, they exude confidence. Moving to the rear, the taillights, a striking departure from previous models. They're sleek, they're modern, they're a visual masterpiece. The light bar connecting the taillights, creating a seamless, continuous line. The dynamic light sequence, a captivating display of technology and artistry. The tailgate, a clean, uncluttered surface, showcasing the Land Rover badge. The subtle spoiler, integrated into the roofline, enhancing aerodynamics and adding a touch of sportiness. The power tailgate, opening and closing with effortless ease. It's a blend of functionality and sophistication. The roofline, a sleek, flowing curve, culminating in the panoramic sunroof. This isn't just a sunroof, it's a window to the world, flooding the cabin with natural light. The shark fin antenna, seamlessly integrated into the roof, ensuring optimal connectivity. And let's not forget the paint finish, a testament to Land Rover's craftsmanship. The deep, lustrous color, the mirror-like gloss, the flawless application. It's a finish that reflects the vehicle's premium status, its attention to detail. The 2025 Land Rover, a symphony of sculpted steel, a masterpiece of modern automotive design. It's a vehicle that commands attention, that exudes confidence, that embodies the spirit of adventure. Every line, every curve, every surface is meticulously crafted, serving both form and function. Land Rover has a rich history, a legacy of building vehicles that can conquer any terrain. From the iconic Series 1 to the modern Range Rover, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation and design. The 2025 is the next chapter in that story, a bold statement of the brand's vision for the future. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a Land Rover, capable of tackling the toughest challenges. From the urban jungle to the remote wilderness, the 2025 is ready for any adventure. Its robust design, its advanced technology, its unwavering capability, it's a vehicle that can take you anywhere. The attention to detail, the meticulous craftsmanship, the relentless pursuit of perfection, it's what sets Land Rover apart. It's what makes the 2025 a true masterpiece. Every component, every surface, every detail is carefully considered, expertly executed. The Land Rover badge, a symbol of adventure, of capability, of luxury. It's a badge that represents a legacy, A heritage, a commitment to excellence, the 2025 carries that badge with pride, embodying the spirit of the brand. This is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement, a reflection of your own adventurous spirit. The 2025 Land Rover, a masterpiece of design, a testament to innovation, a symbol of capability. And that concludes our exterior deep dive. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more in-depth automotive reviews, and until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, keep driving.